Join me as I dive deep into the world of CGC stock and see if I can uncover whether it's a smart investment or not. Canopy Growth Corporation, or CGC, is one of the biggest names in the cannabis industry. With a strong presence in Canada and a growing footprint globally, CGC has been a company of interest for many investors looking to tap into the potential of the cannabis market. Its brand portfolio includes well-known names like Tweed and Spectrum Therapeutics, making it a significant player in both the medical and recreational cannabis sectors. The cannabis industry, however, is not without its challenges. Market volatility seems to be a norm, with regulatory issues frequently making headlines. For CGC, one of the major hurdles is navigating the complex and ever-changing regulatory landscape. The company faces stiff competition from other cannabis giants, all vying for market share in an industry that's still figuring out its future. These factors contribute to a challenging environment for CGC, impacting its stock performance. Regulatory issues can significantly affect CGC's operations and profitability. Any changes in laws or regulations can either open up new opportunities or create barriers to growth. Market volatility also means that CGC's stock price can fluctuate wildly, making it a high-risk, high-reward investment. Furthermore, with more cannabis companies entering the market, CGC must continually innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the competition. The competitive landscape of the cannabis sector is another critical factor to consider. With new companies emerging and existing ones expanding their operations, CGC must focus on differentiating itself and maintaining its market position. This could involve investments in research and development, expanding its product offerings, or exploring new markets. To assess CGC's financial health, we need to look at its earnings reports and market position. The company has shown significant revenue growth over the years, driven by its strong brand presence and expanding operations. However, profitability has been a challenge, with the company reporting losses in recent years. Despite this, CGC's growth potential remains substantial, given its market position and the growing demand for cannabis products. CGC's market position is one of its strengths, with a significant presence in Canada and a growing footprint globally. Its brands are well known, and it has a robust product portfolio that caters to different segments of the market. However, the company must continue to innovate and adapt to changing consumer preferences and regulatory requirements. This involves ongoing investments in research and development, marketing, and operational efficiency. The growth potential for CGC is substantial, driven by the increasing legalization of cannabis and growing consumer acceptance. However, this potential is balanced by risks, including regulatory challenges, market volatility, and competition. For investors, understanding these factors is crucial in making an informed decision about whether CGC stock is a good investment. Looking ahead, several factors could drive CGC's future growth or decline. On the positive side, the increasing legalization of cannabis and growing consumer acceptance could lead to higher demand for CGC's products. Additionally, CGC's efforts to expand its operations and improve operational efficiency could enhance its profitability. On the downside, regulatory challenges and market volatility could impact CGC's performance. In terms of investment potential, CGC presents a mixed picture. The company's strong market position and growth potential are attractive, but the challenges it faces are significant. For investors looking for a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, CGC might be worth considering. However, it's essential to weigh the potential rewards against the risks and consider whether CGC aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. To make an informed decision, investors should closely monitor CGC's financial performance, regulatory developments, and market trends. This will help in assessing the company's progress and adjusting investment strategies accordingly. With careful analysis and a clear understanding of the risks and rewards, investors can make a more informed decision about CGC stock. In summary, CGC stock presents a complex investment opportunity. The company's strong market position and growth potential are significant advantages, but regulatory challenges, market volatility, and competition are notable risks. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CGC stock in the comments below. If you're interested in more investment analysis videos like this, be sure to check out our channel for insights into other stocks and companies.